We would like to introduce you to the garden-type wooden windows for log cabins from Eurodita. All Eurodita windows are made of the best quality Glulam Siberian wood. Our windows are covered with fascia on both sides, with rubber sealing and a top-quality bracket, aluminium weathering included. Eurodita windows are equipped with a multi-point locking system for even greater security. We can offer many different sizes of windows, ranging from single, double windows, all of them with tilt and turn opening inwards. Our aim is to offer our customers only the highest quality windows and doors, and we invest a lot of time and money every year in finding the perfect solutions. Private label log structures made simple by Eurodita. The windows can also be produced with decorative crossbars, giving your log cabin an even more Scandinavian feel.